I had this plain cooler made of simple clay, and an idea struck me. Why not turn this plain cooler into a piece of art? First, we need some materials: acrylic paints, brushes, a palette. I chose my favorite colors. You can pick any colors you like. Here is my simple cooler. I decided to paint an elephant on it. Elephants symbolize some prosperity and strength. So let's start this transformation. Now let's start painting. I took some yellow ochre on my palette, as this will be our background color. Creating the background first is essential so that our elephant stands out. Hi, my name is Sanya. Welcome to my channel. Let's begin this journey. Make sure to apply the paint evenly for smooth finish. Listening to your favorite music while painting can make this experience even more enjoyable. I carefully covered the entire cooler with this yellow ochre. First, I drew an outline of the elephant with a pencil. It might seem tricky at first, but with patience you will get it there. And don't worry if you make a mistake, just erase and try again. Look, our outline is ready. Once the background was dry, I started painting the elephant in mauve. Slowly, I filled the entire body shape of the elephant. With each brush stroke, the elephant started to look more beautiful. Now it's time for the details. I added eyes, trunk and some patterns to the elephant. These details make the painting more beautiful. In the final touches, I added some patterns to the elephant's attire. These patterns give our elephant a unique touch. You can also add your own designs as you like. And there you have it, our painted cooler is ready. A plain cooler which was just simple clay before has now become beautiful artwork. Every time I look at it, I remember this creative journey. I hope you enjoyed this story. Please share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, happy painting!